this computer. Any question before we start? What did we learn previous week? Anyone can comment on that? I mean, can give a feedback. What did we learn? Previous class, which is only 1 hour, I think. Hurry up.
Contract.
Types of contract. That's today. That will be today. How about the previous class? Sorry? We have 60 plus a student now. Nobody can answer me. What did we learn previous class?
About contract administration and the parties involved.
About the contract administration and the parties involved. I think more than that. Good, actually, but what else? Sorry, where's my slide now? Okay. What else? About the contract administration function. Remember? Am I right? About the contract administration function or responsibilities. Right. Project definition. Okay, good. I saw in the chat. Okay, please recall. So today, I will brief again in physical class, because since you are online, I believe that most of you like macam ignore the online class, not active, didn't participate when I'm asking, you know. So I'm really wait for the real class to communicate with all of you. Everyone have to get ready. Everyone have to respond to my questions, because you can ask your friend, all of them have to answer my question. And there is a different answer, okay? So we go for the types of construction contract today, all right? So this topic is supposed to be for 2 weeks. So we will see one by one, okay, the content, and possible to make it online, physical, for if we are not complete by this week, okay, the topic content. All right, so we should start. Okay, this one is one of the slide that prepared by your senior. If you look at the names there, okay, we have a few collective of slides. Okay, so I choose this one. Some classes I choose another slide, but the content is similar. Okay, whatever slide I share with you, I will share. If not in a YouFuture platform, you can request and I will share in a WhatsApp. Okay, all right, so let's move forward. So at the end of this topic, actually you must understand what is a type of construction contract. Okay, so if you look at here, the topic is about a building construction contract type, common contract procurement methods, okay, construction project contract participants, standard form of contract, factors in considering type of contract. Okay, all right. So building construction contract types. Okay, if you look at here, how many types contracts? Class. Can everyone respond to me?
Your slide tak seperti yang tempat yang
The slide not moving? Really? How can I? Wait a moment. Tak bergerak. Salah screen ke? Wait. This one? How about this one? How about this one? What? Oh. How about this one?
Macam tak je tu.
Tak? Sekejap. What is on your screen now?
Boleh lah.
Okay, this one dah gerak.
Okay. Now it's okay? Okay. All right.
Yeah.
So if you look at on the screen now, okay, what is the type of contracts? First,
Okay.
okay, first,
Lump sum.
lump sum, and then measurement contract, cost reimbursement. So lump sum contract, I believe that you heard about the lump sum. Do you know what is a lump sum contract?
Yes.
So what is a lump sum? Before I go to the next slide, I suppose that everyone already have the slide, but you may answer. So have you heard about lump sum? Yes.
Yes.
So what is a lump sum?
Payment made for all works in one single payment.
Okay, in one single payment, good. And then example of the project that usually use the lump sum contract. What kind of project? Huh?
Item procurement.
The procurement? No, okay, like this. Okay, lump sum is suitable for the project, like a simple project. Okay, small project. All right, Phil? The small project only can usually apply or use a lump sum contract because it's not complicated and they don't have any BQ, bill of quantity. Okay, because we have another type of contracts which is a measurement contract. This one basically is a BQ with the quantity. All right. So usually they are using the measurement contract for our project. Okay, like I asked you, what is a lump sum? So here you said that the payment only one time. Okay, and usually it for the project simple. Okay, and not a complicated project. Okay, not the one mega project. They not possible to use lump sum because you just quote the price. For example, if there is a person want to make it a toilet renovation, for example, so they can ask the contractor, how much is it? And they said, oh, I have a budget 10K, and then the contractor will make it a toilet like a 10K. 10K design or 10K what the size of toilet. Okay, so this is a lump sum. Okay, usually it's not difficult to prepare because there is no calculation details like a BQ. All right, and then no individual rates code for each item, but there is no item work like a schedule of rates to include in this contract. Okay, and it's a quite high risk for the owner because the contractor just say the price without specific details. Okay, and then there is no BQ involved. Okay, and then contractor will reduce his cost to increase his profit. This is what easy for them to play around with the cost of the project. Okay, for example, if usually the small renovation work or small project in the construction industry, usually this lump sum is for the subcontractor. Okay, so usually they will say that, okay, the price of material, for example, 5K, and their payment for like the upah usually same price with the materials price. Okay, so basically they will charge the same, so that's why become 10K, for example, but the contractor may reduce the cost of material to make it more profit. Okay, this is what the owner wouldn't know. Okay, because there is no specific details about what is the price for. Okay, what is the cost of 10K? They didn't list out. Okay, no provision to vary the contract proceed even if the actual work execute differs. Okay, meaning that it's difficult to what to revise a contract or what, because there is no specific details of the work. So even though they already proceed, they just proceed. Okay, it's not that easy to revise. Okay, and next is the measurement contract. Okay, usually this is the common contracts that we apply. Okay, and then usually for the early stage they already prepare. Okay, which is we call as a bill of quantity. What up? Okay, and or schedule of rate. Okay, so bill of quantity, have you heard before? You already took a BQ subject?
Yeah.
Everyone?
Yes.
Okay, you know how to calculate?
Yes.
So you know really you already know what is the BQ, right? Meaning that if you have a project to build a building, so they have to calculate how much is a concrete volume, and then you have to multiply with the rate of the concrete volume per meter cube, for example, and also the materials, other materials like a wood or rebar. Okay, how much rebar, how long they need, or what else, the concrete already, and then what else, the brickworks. Okay, how much a square feet they need for the brickworks, and they have to multiply, right? So for the measurement contract, it's a more specific. Okay, and it takes time to prepare. Okay, because it's a very detailed, is a actual measured quantity. Okay, and then this one there is a advantage and disadvantages. Okay, because the advantages, of course, they can identify each item because they already list out, so easy for them to, okay, which item we can reduce the cost. Okay, if they want to play with the budget of the project. Okay, this one usually owner also benefit because they can see the work to be carried out by the contractor because it's quite detailed. All right, and then everything, the quantity is based on the drawing. Okay, from the drawing. Without drawing, you cannot come up with the BQ. Okay, once it's BQ ready, that's why they can make a contract. Okay, the details. Okay, and then this advantage of BQ is a lot of time. Okay, all right, and then the other one under measurement contract is a schedule of rate. If you look at here, schedule of rate is like not detailed as a BQ, but not what, not even like a lump sum. Okay, so for example, like schedule is rate, it's like they have a schedule for the work. Okay, if you heard some construction, how they pay the contractor, they said that, oh, I will do this work based on the square feet. Okay, for example, they want to do a tile works, and they said the upah including all the price, they say, okay, per square feet I charge you 50 ringgits. Okay, so they will base on the how the area, they multiply. For example, okay, so maybe the contractor have do many other works, so that one is for the tiles, they charge 50 per square feet, and maybe for the painting they charge 30 ringgit per square feet. So this is what is the schedule of rate. So schedule of rate is not detailed as a BQ, but it's not as bad as a lump sum. Lump sum is just like you quote the price, but at least schedule of rate, they have a figure how much is per square feet price. Okay, there is a schedule of rate. At least there is a guidance to show for what kind of activities so if you're rating this type of contract, it's like first lump sum and then schedule of rate, and also the most used is a bill of quantity. So schedule of rate also basically for like a small project also like a lump sum, but lump sum maybe for the individual project. Okay, the schedule of rate, it could be like if they have the subcontractor with the main con. Okay, subcon for the works activity for the main con project. Okay, so the advantage and disadvantages, if you look at here, is the variation quantities are easily accommodated because they already allocate, okay, based on the work. Okay, and lesser time spare as a BQ because it's not detailed as BQ, but still have what they call what the disadvantages if you look at the red word case statement, no implied guarantee given all work be carried out. Okay, it could be because it's not specific as BQ, so there is no guarantee that the contractor also can unfinish the work. Okay, and then the quotation, it could be high because they just put based on the price of a square feet, but they didn't detail out how much is the material cost, how much is their charge for their services. Okay, so they said that also no guarantee quantity indicates estimated count sorry, amount. Okay, so
Madam,
yes,
kat WhatsApp dia orang cakap meeting ni dah full.
meeting dah full.
At capacity.
So dekat sini pun tak boleh 100 je Alamak, macam mana I didn't know that there is a limit. Ya let me check. Can make it more ke? Tak boleh Total how much Ada berapa group bila you tengok dalam you feature tu ada berapa kelas Hai. Problem pula with the Zoom I thought ada unlimited punya ni. I tak perasan pula ada 100 je. Let me check.
Kelas, madam.
Sorry?
7 kelas total.
17?
7.
Oh,
Kelas.
7 group. 7 group. Kalau 7 times 30, almost 200 Kan? Some of the class macam 20 plus. Betul? Aduh, I punya lah tak boleh nak buat physical sebab tak ada room yang besar kan. And now even online pun tak ada room juga. Aduh, kesiannya.
Madam, kalau empty tak boleh ke?
Guna Webex, doktor.
Empty
Webex.
ke Webex?
Webex boleh ramai.
Guna empty madam.
Anti apa ni? Kejap. Ada siapa?
Madam.
Sorry, ada siapa yang boleh create? Sekejap, Webex Webex. I think Webex boleh, cuma I account sekejap Let me choose Webex. Sekejap Webex. I dah tak install lah Webex I sekejap Problem pula Webex Unlimited, dia tak perlu ni ke? Sign in sekejap, let me check. Sebab I ada account Zoom and then I didn't know that there is a limitation sebab I rasa I pay for it. Kalau yang limitation ni biasanya yang tak pay. Alamak. I lupa lah sekejap Apa lagi tadi you all kata pakai platform apa? Tak pernah try yang tu.
Microsoft Team, madam.
Microsoft Team is heavy kan? Sekejap Microsoft Team Sekejap, let me check Microsoft Team. Okay. Microsoft Team Unlimited. Sekejap, let me check. Sebab I ada dalam group manage account sign out. Let me sign out first. Takes time Sorry. Sekejap Oh, 100 je Zoom Lambat lah. Sekejap. Sebab you tak rasa ke Microsoft Team tu berat? I dengar diorang complain heavy. Tak
Sen lepas kita orang guna Microsoft Team yang kalau untuk meeting yang ramai.
Okay. So meeting yang ramai je lah. Kalau yang tak ramai pakai apa? I nak buka.
Ada yang guna apa Google Meet tapi memang mostly guna MT lah sebab ada group terus jadi group.
I buka MT ni nampak dia tak ter-open lagi sampai sekarang. Sekejap Yang I share screen so you boleh nampak. Nampak tak screen I? Ni I buka MT ni. Sekejap cakap yang diorang suruh tunggu dalam WhatsApp. Nampak tak? Tak boleh kan? Ni I open MT ni tak
Nampak.
on blank.
Medium.
Wah. Itu I tak pakai MT. I tak tahu. Sekejap. I tutup balik, tu buka balik. Tak boleh, dia heavy. I don't know why. I don't know how you all boleh. Padahal I punya. Okay. Ni dah lah kan? Betul? Lambat dia. Um, Salah, I tak ingat password ni. Habis. Betul tak? So, kita try. Sekejap dah lama saya tak pakai. Sekejap, mana online? Kena buat schedule ke? Sekejap Meet ni This one. Betul? Betul tak you all? Tapi you all kena ada dalam kelas ke macam mana? Nampak? We ran into a problem. You see? Your internet connection is unstable. You all kena ada dalam dalam kelas ke macam mana Saya lupa lah. Lama tak pakai.
Kalau tak ada dalam grup pun tak apa Madam, dia just share link.
Oh yeah, betul lah. Okay, I try So, share link Sekejap. Mana link? Copy link Betul. Okay, so if I share in WhatsApp, mana you all? Okay, you all try to join and then leave the Zoom lah kan? We see you in MT. Okay, bye. Hello. Okay, stop sharing. And see you at MT